The Yofo organizer nails its basic tasks effortlessly. It's perfect for holding pencils, for instance. What sets it apart? Well, it goes beyond the basics. This organizer can charge your phone and link up with your computer. Its side panel features additional slots for flash drives. iMac owners rejoice. No more hunting for USB adapters. Had enough of board games and Nintendo? Well, here's something different to impress your guests: a foldable golf game packed into a metal box. It unfolds to reveal several meters of putting green with a hole on a small hill. Before channeling your inner Tiger Woods, pick a flat spot, pop the box, roll out the putting green, and voila! Your course is ready. Sure, it might not have the variety of a regular mini golf course, but it's all about honing your putting skills. And of course, there's a built-in sensor to track your hits and share them online. The price tag for this pastime is $600. And as you know, golf is for people with a bit of cash to spare. Let's kick off today's video with the M1. We're not talking about another groundbreaking Apple chip, but a nifty gadget for people who love all-in-one tools. The M1 aims to replace your TV remote, your car keys, and of course your bank cards. It runs on the widely used STM32H processor and boasts a 14-hour battery life. The M1 starts at $89. Is shelling out extra for a remote worth it, noting that you can't open your car without it? That's a call everyone has to make for themselves. Imagine if this invention catches on. It might revolutionize traditional fishing. This fishing rod stand signals when the line twitches and marks a new tech trend. If you step away from your rod, a keychain with 4 lights for each rod will alert you. The price for this device is around $150. But if you don't have to stare at the float for hours, what's the point of fishing, right? Boosting your phone's volume isn't just about hefty speakers, it's about tweaking the sound waves mechanically. Yo's creation is perfect for gadgets with a speaker at the bottom. Crafted from a one-piece aluminum alloy, the same stuff found in airplanes, it resonates and delivers top-notch loud sound. No wires, no batteries, just a piece of metal for $179. Hey, listen up. This is not a joke. Smartphone-controlled stove knobs are up for grabs now. According to their creators, these nifty gadgets can help cut down on gas or electricity use. The knobs flash in red and blue to show how much heat the burners are cranking out. But here's the catch: they are a few times bigger than regular knobs and require occasional removal for charging. Installing them is a bit of a head-scratcher. Without the manual, you'll have to shell out $150 for just one. Any takers for saving some bucks? While American and European creators focus on crafting devices for carefree relaxation, like speakers, keyboards, and fishing rod stands, engineers from Hong Kong are taking a shot at electric nail clippers. Enter the Hero Electric Nail Clipper, a robust saw in a compact ball-shaped case. It charges via USB and swiftly clips each nail inserted into the designated slot. The cost for maintaining a consistently smooth manicure is $64. Meet Nimble, a tool fit for Catwoman. This tiny knife slips onto your finger like a thimble and can slice through paper, cellophane, and even thick plastic packaging. It weighs just 6 g, and it's supposed to be safer than knives and scissors since its sharp edge is only exposed when in use. Available only in yellow, this bright, cheerful thimble won't get lost in the kitchen. But will it suit superheroes lurking in the darkness? This automatic cat feeder does a great job at keeping your pet well fed, but it stands out for its extra features. To reach the food, your cat takes a little journey through a special tube with Velcro. No shortcuts allowed. After the whole adventure, the hair that might have ended up scattered across your carpet stays neatly in one spot. With this product, you can feed your pets and keep your apartment tidy, all for $128. Here's a novel invention without a single electrical part. This clay target holder gets attached to a tree using 2 bolts. Though fixing it to a tree stump or a pre-made board is a more eco-friendly option, it's great for newbie shooters still getting the hang of hitting flying targets. Each holder costs about $13. Opting for 5 or 6 at once is probably a better idea if you want a proper shooting range. We can't help but chuckle when seeing gamers wearing VR headsets. They're running, waving their hands, and sometimes taking unexpected tumbles out of the blue. Well, the makers of the C Infinity gaming device decided to lend them a hand. This movable platform syncs up with popular headsets from HTC, Meta, Sony, and HP, taking control of the character. It mimics left and right turns by spinning around, but forward and backward movement stays virtual. Players just need to stay steady and hit those buttons on time. The price for this platform starts at $1,199. Not too shabby for a giant joystick controller.